one of my cardinal beliefs in all of technology and all my investing is that we as humans are longing for the way things once were, but with more scale and efficiency. So we all, up until a few hundred years ago, for the other 300,000 years of humanity that we're hardwired for, we lived in small towns and villages. We were known by people. They knew our strengths and weaknesses. They knew our children's names. They knew our likes and dislikes. They said hello by name. We were known. We were living a hyper-personalized life. And then in the advent of the Industrial Revolution, technology, everything else, we all became anonymous. Everything became generalized. When I go to Nike, it says, what gender are you? You know, when I go to a restaurant, like, they don't know I'm a vegetarian. Like, we live, that's the way we live. And, but I do believe that we all want to be known and we want to feel special, right? In our workplace and in our life and in our towns and whatever else. And so is there a way for technology to enable that? I think that the next generation of this, now in this AI-enabled world, is for us to be known on our own terms. For us to define our preferences, to share and sync the data that we want to be shared with the AI, to have private instances where we can access it and it can help us. When I look at some of the products like you and others are building that just enable that on our own terms, that's like kind of the way we want to live. That's what we long for again, and I think that's important.